So the other day I got a package from Enfamil, which is a formula company. So I'm gonna see what they sent. They sent out 2 formula cans. I have a lot of packages that people have sent. And I feel really bad because I've been really busy with grad school and with baby prep and with being a parent. I posted something yesterday actually talking about just kind of my journey, and people are commenting, wow, I don't know how you do it, and it's great. And it's a lot, and most of the time I look rough because I am not sleeping too much and I'm keeping up with everything that has to be done. So I haven't been opening these packages, and people sent them, and some of them have really cute notes and really nice things. So I wanted to take the time to open them now and say thank you. This one is the blue bottles, and this one got to me. Enjoy your gift. Love your YouTube channel. Hope this helps. From CHAYMAE. YouTube is probably my least, number-wise, my smallest social media channel, and the fact that there's somebody from there that like watches my content and like that's where they know me from, I really appreciate that. And it makes me feel bad for not posting long form content very often, but I try to post short so that I can keep up with people and people can keep up with me and see what I'm up to. So it means a lot. I got a playmat from somebody. It doesn't come with a note or anything as far as I know. No notes. I'm sure that even if I open it, it wouldn't have it on the inside. But thank you for the playmat. And then the big one is something I've been looking forward to opening for a long time. It says heavy on it on the other side, but it also has an address, so can't show you that. This is one of the ones that I'm baffled that anybody even like considered getting for me and my family. Oh, am I struggling? There is definitely a smarter way to open this. You hungry? It says, enjoy those babies. Love from James. James, thank you so much. A soothing swing. My daughter loved this kind of swing when she was a baby. Thank you to everybody who watches my videos, and for the people that send things. I'm still baffled by the support that I have from this community, and just it makes me want to create more content, make more things, keep you all updated, because wow, what a way to connect with each other. And I started this list to try to connect with people and see if this is something that you are all interested in participating in, and you are, and like it means the world. Like I'll look at these bottles and think to myself, wow, somebody watched my YouTube channel, something that I started, for me to share and then for me to enjoy. And now somebody's watching these videos and enjoying it and decided to connect and get something for my family. Not for me, because don't even worry about me, but my family. That Thank you. Thank you. I can't keep talking without potentially getting emotional. So thank you so much for everything.